Mother Phonics. Give your child lifetime love of reading and writing. A says A, M says Ma, A-M, am. Repeat with me. A says A, M says Ma, A-M, am. A says A, M says Ma, A-M, am. D says D, D-A-M, dam. P-R, pro, P-R-A-M, pram. J says J, J-A-M, jam. C-R, crow, C-R-A-M, cram. M-A, ma, M-A-A-M, man. T-R, tr, T-R-A-M, tram. R says R, R-A-M, ram. A says A, P says P, A-P, app. A says A, P says P, A-P, app. A says A, P says P, A-P, app. C says K, C-A-P, cap. M says Ma, M-A-P, map. G says G, G-A-P, gap. T says T, T-A-P, tap. N says N, N-A-P, nap. L says L, L-A-P, lap. C-H, ch, C-H-A-P, chap. Thank you.